Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to 100 Bell Kitchen. Yes, so today I'm going to bake another potato pudding. But this time my aunt's not here. My sister told me, I want you to bake a potato pudding just like the potato pudding I see you and Auntie Mavis was making. So I'm about to do so. And I have all my ingredients here. I have my flour, a little cornmeal, my sugar, my potato over here. This is the main ingredient. And also, one of the main ingredients is your coconut. You cannot have potato pudding without coconut. You can also use the tin coconut milk, but you know, I like organic. And so, as we go along, I'll show you what's going on in 100 Bell Kitchen. Yes.
This is how my mom takes out the coconut to make the potato pudding. My mom is cutting up the coconut so she can blend it for the potato pudding.
Durante is doing a good job cutting up the potatoes for the pudding. Good job, Durante. Blending my coconut, I use warm water to blend it, and then I juice it out and mix it and sweeten with sugar and vanilla and other spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, almond, rose water. This is the liquid I'm making to mix the pudding, to make the pudding, the water. The liquid that I'm going to use to make my pudding, this is part of it, is a coconut. You sweeten the coconut milk. As I say, you can use this coconut milk or any other coconut milk, like tin coconut milk or whatever you have, as long as coconut milk. So let's go. A little power. Everybody, welcome back to our channel. As I told you, I'm making potato pudding. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that button, that notification button, that bell, so that whenever we have a new video, you'll see it. I'm sorry, I said bell. I said button, it's the bell. Hit the notification bell and like our videos and follow us on Instagram. Now, I'm putting some salt in. This is the coconut milk that I blend. And I'm putting all the different things. Now I'm putting vanilla. Some vanilla in there. And because you want your pudding to taste nice, so you try to spice it up as much as you can. This is almond. Just a little bit, like you don't want it too much almond taste, so I put half teaspoon. And the rose water, same thing, half a teaspoon. You know, there's not so much of a set measurement for pudding, because different potato weigh different size, different pans, different, you know, amount of liquid. So it's the texture of it when you finish. So I'll show you later what's going on in 100 Bell Kitchen. So Durante cut up all of this potato pudding to make our potato pudding, and I'm going to blend them now in the blender here. And I'll show you as we go along what's going on. I finished sweetening my coconut milk, and now I'm going to blend my potato. Doing here, I'm blending using the coconut milk to blend the potato. And then I'm going to transfer it and show you as we go along. Thank you. So my potato is finished blending. It looks real good. It looks like when you use a grater and just grater it. It's so pretty, so nice, you know. And I don't want to forget to tell you to grease your pan, your baking pan. And I'm going to put in my flour now. Put some flour. And then I'm going to put some cornmeal. I was supposed to put I could put a piece of yam. It's not necessary, but a little piece of yam could use to put in this. And I'm gonna grate some nutmeg and put in here. I'm also going to show you when I'm putting in my raisin. I have raisin soaking. I usually have it. So when I have to make like pudding or cake or whatever, I have raisins soaking in wine. So I show you what's going on in One Honey Bell Kitchen. Yeah. Right. It's recording. It's recording. Okay, so I put cinnamon and my nutmeg, and I'm just mixing to see if I want any more liquid. And I'm gonna put my raisin in soon. And also I melted like a stick of butter, and I'm gonna put it in there and mix. I'm putting in my raisin in my pudding. I told you the raisin is soaking in some wine. So I'm putting all this goodness in this pudding for my sister. She loves pudding. She loves potato pudding, so I'm taking this to Boston for her. She lives in Boston. So I'm mixing. I put my raisin and everything, and I'm going to put it in this pan now. It's grease. And I just want to show you this liquid. It's a coconut milk that is mixed with the sugar and all the flavors that I'm going to put on top when it's almost baked. So you will have that gel on top. Some people like it with the gel. So you don't fill your pan up to the brim. You can take this and take it up. Some people just throw it from the container, but I like to take it up and put it in there. So I'm going to put them in my oven now. My oven is set at 350 degrees, and so I'll show you later what's going on with my potato pudding. My pudding is almost finished baking, but I told you that I was going to put the liquid that I make from the coconut milk on top. So you put it on top like this, and try not to let it go around the edges. Try that it stay like in the middle. And then I put back this in the oven for another, say, 15 minutes. And then my pudding will be ready. So, see you later. So my pudding is finished baking. If you look, I put in the Q-tip, there's nothing on it. It's baked. It's ready. And this one, why it has so much raisin, is that when it was half baked, I took it out and I put some raisin, because most of the time the raisin will go to the bottom. So for those who like raisin, I put the raisin in when it was half baked. This one I did not, but it tastes just as good. They look so good, so suckling, so nice. Yes, remember friends, remember to subscribe and like to our videos, and follow us on Instagram, and hit the notification bell on YouTube that you never will miss one of our videos whenever we put them up. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye. Mwah.